morning. We're on the record on the Kester matter, case number D07384-243Z. May I have your names for the record? Good morning, ma'am. Can you please state your name for the record? You're muted. Take your phone off mute.
Sorry, can you hear me now?
Yes.
My name is Dawn Greenfield. Maiden name was Perez.
Dawn Marie Kester, formerly known as Dawn Marie Kester?
Correct, yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, this matter was set to be heard at 10 o'clock. We will let the record reflect. The time is now 10:40 a.m. and there has been no appearance by the movant in this matter, Mr. Clint Brandon Kester. The court will be proceeding without Mr. Kester. Ms. Kester, or your new last name is what?
Greenfield.
Ms. Greenfield, please raise your right
Yes.
hand. I'm going to swear you in.
Yes.
You do solemnly swear the testimony you are about to give in this action shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Greenfield. So we are on today for Mr. Clint Kester's motion for an order to enforce and or an order to show cause regarding contempt. I have reviewed his motion. I've also reviewed your opposition there too. And I've also reviewed, you just filed updated exhibits last night at 5:18 p.m., which reflects District Attorney Child Support Service, current child support arrears audit, as well as proof of payments of child support arrears paid in full. I also see that I believe your children have aged out. Are they emancipated?
Yes. Yes, he has.
Okay. So at this point, number one, the motion that Mr. Kester filed is denied. It's denied, number one, because he failed to appear for his motion. Even if he appeared, though, I did review the substance, and it's also denied on the merits. I've also reviewed your opposition. I reviewed your exhibits there too. So are these true and accurate copies of documents from the Office of Child Support, ma'am?
Yes, it is. And I also, I did receive the child support statement in the mail this morning. So I uploaded that and I e-filed that to you of the child support statement. Okay. For the most, how much it is, the ending balance. And then it just takes like 3 to 5 business days, they said, for those payments that I made to be put on the account, and then they could process that to close too.
Okay, great. And then now as I'm looking at the children, so Avery's date of birth was 8/22/2005. Avery is now 18 years old, turns 19 in August. Has Avery graduated from high school?
Yes, he graduated in May.
Okay, great.
Of this year.
Avery is emancipated, is no longer subject to a child support order. Let's see, then we also have Kobe.
Kobe, yes, he is 22.
Kobe's also already emancipated. He's no longer subject to a child support order. And then we have Leilani.
And Leilani's 23.
And Leilani's 23. Actually, yeah, 24. Didn't she just turn 24 on April 20th?
Oh my gosh. Time really flies if she did. Oh.
Okay.
Oh my God.
All right. So the court does find that all 3 children have emancipated. None of them are children by definition of the law. Each of them are over the age of 18 and graduated from high school. Well, Avery graduated from high school. Therefore, there is no further child support to be due and owing going forward. The court further finds that the motion by Mr. Kester is hereby denied in its entirety. One, Mr. Kester failed to appear, and had he appeared, it would still have been denied based upon the court's review of the papers and pleadings herein. The court further finds that the defendant herein, Ms. Greenfield, has provided credible testimony as to, 1, her children aging out, and number 2, the district attorney's office proof of child support arrears audit, as well as proof of child support arrears paid in full. The court has reviewed the papers and pleadings filed herein, as well as the offers of proof, including the recent exhibits filed by Ms. Greenfield on 6/10/2024 at 5:19, which includes a letter dated April 30, 2024 from the Clark County Office of the District Attorney, which includes the recent audit of her case, as well as proof of payment thereon.
Yes.
Is there anything else you'd like to add, ma'am?
No, I don't. Thank you. I just wanted to make sure I'm compliant and we're able to finally close this case and move on with our lives.
That's correct. So the motion is denied. The case is hereby closed. And ma'am, you have the benefit of preparing the order from today to establish that the case is closed and you are in full compliance, and the motion's denied, case is closed. We will be having, our Madam Clerk is preparing the minutes from today, so once these minutes are ready, she will email them to you, and then it'll be your job to take the minutes, copy and paste it onto a blank form called order after hearing, and then submit that to the court. I'm gonna give you my law clerk's phone number. If you have any questions on procedure, she can help you. Her number is
Okay.
702-455-5035.
5035.
702-455-5035.
Okay,
Okay, she cannot
Very
give
good.
legal advice, but she can assist you with preparing this order. Once you have the order submitted and signed, notice of entry is submitted, then the case is closed. So to your
Okay.
benefit, to make sure that you follow all those steps, okay?
okay, I will. Thank you so
All
much.
right, you're welcome, ma'am. Have a great day.
And you too.
Thank you.
Thank you.